Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2022 Chevrolet Blazer RS package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, loaded up, really outstanding shape. Sunroof, leather, alloys, parking sensors, really amazing condition. It's got about 30 on the clock. Really beautiful vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Front bumper's in beautiful shape, really outstanding condition. Look at that. Very nice condition. Really outstanding shape. Let's take a look at the top light here. Beautiful condition. The lower one, beautiful shape, very nice. Grill's in really nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Does have a couple little scratches here, a couple little marks from the road, normal for wear and tear. The other headlamps also in beautiful shape. Below, also in beautiful condition. Grille looks good. Bottom spoiler's in beautiful condition, very nice. All right, let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape, very nice condition. Really nice shape overall. A couple little blemishes here on the paint. Besides that, looks very nice. All right, let's take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Right here has a little touch up right here, you can see there. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the quarter panel here. Very nice, quarter panel's in beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear door, really nice condition overall. Beautiful shape throughout. Rear bumper, very nice. Really nice condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape. Glass in the back looks good. Very nice condition. Let's take a look at those rear taillights. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Super clean. RS package. Quarter panel on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Front door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Windshield's in good condition, very nice condition overall. Does have a couple little chip marks here and there, nothing major. Besides that, looks good. Roof is in beautiful shape. Really nice shape. It's got that big sunroof up there. Looks super sharp. Very nice. Really outstanding condition. Okay, here we go. That concludes our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a quick test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Take a look there. Very nice shape. Controls are in beautiful condition. This one has memory seat for the driver. Really nice. Take a look at the driver's seat. Amazing condition. Really nice shape. It's got that perforated leather with the little accents in red with the stitching. Looks amazing. Very nice. RS package. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Looks brand new. Beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks super clean. Really nice. This one has a Bose system. Really amazing. Let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Really amazing condition. Take a look there. Very nice. Perforated seat. Look at that. Really amazing condition. Full set of floor mats. Rugs are clean. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks amazing. Look at that, very nice shape. Super clean. Take a look at the rear seat from the driver's side. Look at that, beautiful shape. Perforated seat with those pinstripes in red and stitching, looks amazing. Very nice condition. Full set of floor mats, really nice. Here in the center console, it says RS. It's got a plug-in here for power and 2 USBs. Really nice. Take a look above here. This has got the large roof up there. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the Rear passenger side door panel. Door panel is in amazing condition. Looks super clean. Very nice. Take a look at the stitching here. Looks super sharp. Rear seats have heat, just like the front ones have heat and air conditioning. Really nice. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Super, super clean. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2022 Chevrolet Blazer RS package. We're going to go ahead and start this one up. Take a look at the key fob here. Really nice shape. It's got lock unlock, remote start, and power hatch and panic. Really nice. Okay, we're going to set the key down here. I'm going to press the brake. It's got the push button start right there. Let's start it up. Look at that. Amazing. Starts right up perfect. AC is nice and cold. Really nice. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on this one. Let's take a look at the miles first. This one has 37,660 miles. Super nice. Okay, fantastic. So let's take a look at some of the other features here on this one. This one has the auto stop and start of the engine. So you could actually bypass that. So when you have this button pressed here, you can bypass the stop and start engine thing. That's to save fuel. You got your temperature, volts, fuel gauge, really nice. It's got a bunch of features here. Let's take a look at the collision alert thing. You're gonna press the button there. It's gonna show you the distance you wanna set up. Heated steering wheel, super nice, look at that. It's really nice. This one has, I believe, a lane alert on it. It's got a button down here. It's a keep lane assist or something like that. That's what it's called. So you've got that there. You've also got your towing, sport, snow, and the regular drive setting on your transmission. This is for the parking sensors there. Super nice. Take a look here. The controls for the front and rear wipers. Amazing. Turning signals are working perfect. There's one on one side, one on the other. This is for your cruise control. This is an information center here, so you can actually scan through it here. Miles till empty, all life remaining, tire pressure sensors. Super nice. So we're going to go ahead and leave it there on miles per hour. That's nice. Automatic lights, look at that. Very nice. Parking brake release is right here. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Take a look. Really amazing condition. All the way through, it has a stitching here on the steering wheel also in red. Looks super sharp. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Look at the accents here in red to match everything else on the vehicle. Beautiful shape. All right, let's take a look at the AC controls here. We have the fan on high. We'll bring that down in a minute. You guys can hear me a little bit better like that. So you have air conditioned seats for the driver and the passenger in the front, which is a nice feature. You also have heated seats for the front passengers and the rear passengers. Look at that, that's for the heat. And then the dial here, you can actually turn it, and that's what adjusts the temperature for the passenger side. Take a look. Super nice. And on the other side, the same thing. You turn the dial, it adjusts the temperature on this side here. Also shows you on top what's getting done there. This is the vent controls here, the power, the sync, automatic AC, and recycled air. The fan buttons, the front and rear defrost controllers, USBs, little space there for storage, automatic transmission with manual shift mode. So you put it on L, you can control it manually. Cup holders there. Controls for the transmission. So like I said, you have touring, snow, sport, and towing. The parking sensors right here, you can turn them on and off if you like. And the lane assist here. Super nice. Glove box controllers. That's how you open the glove box there. It looks like a full set of books there. Very nice. On and off for the engine. Super nice. Let's take a look at the radio. Let's go to audio there. Let's see what's available. We have Spotify, Amazon Alexa, Bluetooth, Sirius XM radio, and AM/FM. Super nice, all those sources. Go back to home again. Phone, you can pair your phone here. It even has a keypad there. After you set it up, you can dial from there. You could dial from your contacts. Super nice. Users, if you want to set up users, you can set it up. It'll have the preferences for the radio stations and all that stuff, just the way you like. Settings, let's go to the settings here. Check out the settings on the vehicle. This for your language, the hotspot, device remote, the voice, all that stuff you can adjust. Here we go with the apps. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, your climate control, Spotify, all that good stuff. Okay, now we're taking a look at the vehicle. Rear seat reminder, if you have a small child, to remind you to check the rear seat before you get off the vehicle. Collision detection, I like to look at this. It shows you all the safety features it has. So forward collision system it has. It brakes and it also alerts. You have one which is front pedestrian detection. It alerts and also brakes. You got a lane change alert, rear backup camera with symbols, and cross traffic. So those things are all on this vehicle there. It tells you what the vehicle has. Okay, go back to home. You have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, the Wi-Fi, your apps, climate control, camera, XM radio, Alexa, maps, and then this one has navigation. Super nice. Put our Navi there. Look at that. Super nice screen. Really nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and we'll leave it on the navigation screen for now. Beautiful condition. The only thing we have to check here is the courtesy lights, which they work perfect up here on top. And then let's go ahead and open up the sunroof. Look at that, beautiful. The shade goes all the way to the back. And then the front one here is the one that opens, so that's completely open there. Let's go ahead and close it again. Super nice. Close the shade. Really amazing, look at that. Okay, that's pretty much our sunroof there. The only thing left is we're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay, we're all set for a test drive here. Here we go. Super nice. So it has a lot of power. It's a 6-cylinder. Very impressive. Really nice and quiet. A lot of extras. RS package. Super nice. All right. Make a left here. Check the brakes here. Stopped perfect. Look at that. Really nice. Feels amazing. Stops really nice. Drives good. Nice pickup. Really nice drive. There we go. Amazing. Drives super straight. Feels really good. Okay, last thing we're going to check is the parking. So we're going to find a quick place to park right now. And then we'll conclude our test drive. Okay, let's test out the parking camera on this one. Here we go. Turn it around here. Put it in reverse. There you go. The backup camera right there. You select the spot you want to back into here. It's got the lines right there, show you which way it's going. Roll straight back. Right there, it's letting us know parking sensors in the back are picking up something, which are those bushes. So it lets you know here on the cluster what you're getting close to. So right now, this time, all of them in the back are going off. The closer you get, the more it shows it right there. Take a look. Very nice. Well, that pretty much concludes your test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo area in the back, engine compartment, and take a look at all those tires. We'll be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the rear hatch here. Here we go. Gonna press the unlock button twice. Press the hatch button twice. There you go, opens right up, perfect. Okay, let's take a look inside. Cargo area is clean and in beautiful condition, very nice. Really nice shapes, got a couple of little courtesy lights there. At night, whatever, if you can look at your cargo stuff back here, very nice. Beautiful shape. These little handles here, they actually fold down the seats. The second row, super nice. Let's go ahead and close the hatch, test that out real quick. Really nice condition, look at that. Okay, we're taking a look at the hood. Under the hood, the engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Really nice condition. Beautiful condition throughout. Take a look at the hood on the bottom here. Very nice. Really amazing shape. Super, super clean. Looks really nice. Okay, we'll take a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tires are in really nice shape, beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Does have some imperfections here on the finish. A couple scratches here and there, nothing major. Besides, that's a really nice shape. Okay, let's take a look at the tire tread here. Driver's side rear tire, really nice shape. Michelin tires all the way around. Take a look at the rim. Rim's in beautiful shape. So it has a scratch right here. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in beautiful shape. Look at that, very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have some scratches here on the edge and over here. Besides, that's in really nice shape. Take a look, very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, tires in really nice shape. Look at the tread on there, very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a scratch right there. Besides that, looks very nice. Take a look. Really amazing condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2022 Chevrolet Blazer RS package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really in outstanding shape. Very nice. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.